Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of Zapier and ClickFunnels 2.0. Specifically, we're going to be talking about the app that they've created for Zapier directly inside of the platform. So that way you don't have to actually leave ClickFunnels at all when it comes to creating new Zaps and connecting other platforms. You can do it all directly in a platform now inside of the brand new app. With that said, let's jump over to my screen here and walk through everything you need to know step by step. Before we dive in, I have something awesome for you. It is our Quick Start Blueprint ebook. It's the ultimate guide for your service-based business looking to get set up online the right way without all the tech headaches. Whether you're just starting out or trying to improve upon what you've already set up, this ebook is packed with a bunch of tips, tricks, and overall strategies that can help you grow your business. You can grab your free copy below by clicking the link in the description. With that said, let's go and dive into the video. Starting off from our dashboard here inside of the platform, the first thing we have to do is add the actual app to our account. Now, to do that, click on a little plus icon on the left-hand navigation, just like this. As you hover over it, it'll change to a button that says Add Apps. But either way, this will bring us to our App Center just like this when it is clicked on. On this page, what we need to do is find Zapier. It's going to look just like this. It might not appear at the top of the page for you like it is for me. That's just because I have all the other apps already added, and that's basically it. That's the only reason. So what you have to do with that information is just look for Zapier amongst the other apps if you don't have them all added like me. When you find it, it'll look just like this. Click on it directly at that point, and it'll bring you to the Zapier connection area where we can sign up or log in. All right. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and just log in real quick. When we click on that button, we should see a little pop-up allowing us to either start our account, or if you scroll down beyond that, you can log in. And just like that, we can then go in and connect our account to ClickFunnels. So go and sign into the account that you want to use, or create one if you're just getting started. Once you're all signed in, you should be good to go. At this point, you can manage existing Zaps, you can go in and create new ones, all from ClickFunnels 2.0. So for example, if I wanted to go in and edit an existing one, this guy right here, I just click on it directly, and from here I can go in and make any changes as needed. I can disable it, I can turn it on, I can do everything I could do in Zapier for this specific workflow directly inside of the platform. Once you're done, you can publish and then exit out of here, and that's literally it. If you wanted to create a brand new workflow, you could technically do it from here as well. Just click on Create Workflow in the top right, or search up any app that you want to actually connect to the platform right here. And just like that, you have Zapier fully connected to your accounts. You can go in and manage existing workflows. You can create new ones. The world is your oyster. There's a lot of things you can do at this point. It connects you with any, well, not any, but a ton of third-party integrations out there, or third-party platforms that aren't necessarily direct native integrations inside of ClickFunnels. So if that's something you're after, then this should do the trick. If you have any questions around anything that we covered in this video, let us know down below in the comments. Or if you have any questions around ClickFunnels 2.0 as a whole, feel free to let us know down below as well. With that said, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll catch you in the next video.